समय संक्षेप होने के नाते उनके बारे में मैं बोल नहीं पाया, इसलिए उनके बारे में थोड़ा दो शब्द भी बोलने के प्रयास करता हूँ। ऐसे हम लोग ग्रंथ को प्रकाश किया। ग्रंथ ये प्रबंध पंचकम
नहीं है ना बोलने वाला नहीं हो Gurudev has published a granth called Prabandha Panchakam. Everyone should read it. And for the Sahajiyas, this granth is like a disease. So there is a disease called Jalantak, means the one who has a phobia from the water, he is very much fearful. So in the same way, they have the Sahajiyas have so much phobia from this granth, Prabandha Panchakam. आप थोड़ा सा ना आगे हो जाओ, क्योंकि ना मुझे महाराज जी दिख नहीं रहे, मैं तब तक बोल नहीं सकता जब तक दिखे ना। दिख रहे हैं। Just like Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj used to speak against the Sahajiya Sampradaya. With his writings, he always used to oppose the Sahajiya Sampradaya, the Sakhi Bhekis. And if someone would speak something a little bit against Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, and he used to call Bamana Maharaj and he used to give dictation and write a letter against those people who used to speak anything against Prabhupada. And he used to refute them. So at that time there was a lot of passion of refuting each other. So if someone speaks against your guru, so you should always refute that person. So that is why Bhakti Pragyan Kesha Goswami Maharaj always used to refute the people who were against Prabhupada. He has written so many letters, such a nice letters.
जिसकी पढ़ करके
By reading those letters,
बात सुन करके बाबाजी संप्रदाय अपना संप्रदाय
all the Babaji Sampradaya and the Up Sampradaya,
और उनके लिए वो लोग क्या करते थे
they used to get so scared,
कोर्ट केस भी करते थे
and even they used to file the case in court.
ये सब हुआ इतने इतने सुंदर जो दिखाते हैं फिर आपके बंगला समझ में नहीं आएगा जैसे दिखा श्रावणी साला बीते गलत रावण सीता भरण
So he has written in the Bangla language. If you understand the Bangla language, then you will understand. In the Patrika, in the magazine Gaudiya Patrika,
उस समय
these letters were published.
प्रभुपाद के बारे में जो कुछ भी हो
If any would go against, if anyone goes against Prabhupada, he used to write in the Gaudiya Patrika. And the Babaji Sampradaya used to get scared.
ठीक उसी लाइन में इसलिए बोले इसका नाम
And in the same line, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he has written this Prabandha Panchakam,
उनके इतने भेदी संचार कर देते
and that
भाई
transfers a great fear in the heart of these Babajis and the Sakhi Bekis, because Gurudev gave all the quotations of the scriptures.
जैसे दो एक उदाहरण दे
For example,
जैसे बाबाजी संप्रदाय कहते हैं
Babaji Sampradaya says that from where the sannyas have come, Mahaprabhu has not received a sannyas.
और उन्होंने कोडिशन भी करते रहते सफेद कपड़ा ये गोरी मठ कहाँ से लाल कपड़ा कहीं से
From where this red cloth has come, because Rup Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, they always used to wear the white clothes.
किसी के विरुद्ध में सन्यास के वास्तव तात्पर्य क्या है
So to explain them, to refute them, he has written in this Prabandha Panchakam what is the actual meaning of sannyas. So one should read this
और
grantha.
विशेष करके प्रबोधानंद और प्रकाशानंद के गुरु
And they believe that Prakashanand and Prabodhanand, they both are same. There is a grantha called Bhaktamal.
ग्रंथ के पढ़ते
Many people read Bhaktamal. This grantha is of Sahajiyas.
खंडित कर दिया प्रबोधानंद और प्रकाशानंद के वे लोग सब क्या मानते हैं एक
सब लोग यार Bhaktamal
कितना समय गुरुदेव
हमारा
इस
भी
ग्रंथ
चलता
में
है.
बहुत इस ग्रंथ के सब पढ़ना चाहिए
So everyone should read this grantha.
गौड़ीय संप्रदाय की सन्यास के पंचरात्रिक विधान आदि क्या है
What are the Pancharatric vidhi of having sannyas, Bhagavatiya parampara, Pancharatric parampara?
इस ग्रंथ में जो है
Gurudev is explaining it very beautifully in this grantha.
क्योंकि इस ग्रंथ में
इंटरनेट पे है ये ग्रंथ.
अभी प्रबोधानंद शास्त्री के बारे में जो तुम्हें बता गुरुदेव ने जो
I'll explain about the Prabodhananda Saraswati. The Gurudev has written that once Mahaprabhu went to Puri after sannyas, then after delivering Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Mahaprabhu went to Dakshin, that's South India, and he met with Rai Ramananda. The main reason for Mahaprabhu's incarnation, that why he has manifested having the Bhava Kanti of Radha.
और विशेष करके विशाखा देवी की संग बिना ये संभव नहीं था
So it was not possible to manifest these things without the association of Vishakha Sakhi.
वहीं पर मिले
So that is why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Rai Ramananda.
चैतन्य चरितामृत में
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela,
8 परिच्छेद में
in the 8th Pariched, 8th chapter,
राय रामानंद
the meeting of Mahaprabhu with Rai Ramananda. So there all these tattva have been explained: Krishna tattva, Radha tattva, Prema tattva.
महाप्रभु रायरमन से आवश्यक
So this is all what was discussed with Rai Ramananda.
महाप्रभु रायरमन के
And in last,
अपने स्वरूप दर्शन कर
Mahaprabhu also showed his form, Rasraj Mahabhav, to Rai Ramananda.
रसराज महाभाव माफी प्रभु तारीफ दिखाई दो रसराज महाभाव
So Rasraj Mahabhav Swarup was shown to Mahaprabhu, to Rai Ramananda.
रूप दर्शन करके रायरमन
By having this darshan of such a beautiful form, Rai Ramananda got fainted.
के कारण की भी हम आपको डिस्कस
And I also explained the reason that why he got fainted few days back.
बहुत सुंदर इसके पश्चात चैतन्य महाप्रभु
And after that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went
श्रीरंगम में गए
to Sri Rangam.
और श्रीरंगम में चैतन्य महाप्रभु 4 महीने काल तक रहे
And for the 4 months he stayed in Sri Rangam for Chaturmasya.
सन्यासी के जो है साधु के जो है
For a sannyasi, the sadhu never should travel in the Chaturmasya these 4 months.
जाकर के
At one place they should stay and do the bhajan.
इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु उसमें विधि के अनुसार श्रीरंगम
So
में
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as per the regulations, when he reached Sri Rangam, having the darshan of a very beautiful vigraha, he started dancing in ecstasy. And looking at that dance, all the viewers, all the devotees were so attracted. On the one side, Mahaprabhu is having such a nice height, Ajvanulambita Bahu, and also his complexion is Tapta Kanchan Gauranga. And when he used to dance, it looks like just like a very big mountain of gold is moving up and down when Mahaprabhu used to dance.
महाप्रभु अपने हाथ में कितने थे 4 हाथ
Mahaprabhu's height was 4 times the height of his hands, and we are 3.5 times the height of our hands. So Mahaprabhu was 4 times. So such a height of the Mahaprabhu. In the Jagannath Mandir, Mahaprabhu used to stand at last after the Garud Stambha, after the Garud pillar. But still Mahaprabhu from a distance, from a far distance, he could see Jagannath. So when he used to get immersed in love, out of that love, even the stones of the temple used to get melt. So in the parikrama, the charan chinna, the foot impressions of Mahaprabhu are still present in the parikrama of Jagannath temple. And also that place is still there where he used to stand and see at Jagannath, and where he used to keep his hand on the wall, that the stone wall also still has the impressions of the fingers of Mahaprabhu. So it is still present in the Jagannath temple, the all impressions of Mahaprabhu.
और एक जो क्या बोले आदिवासी जो स्त्री जो है माने उड़ीसा के रहने वाली गांव के रहने वाले
And once old lady of Odisha, some village, she could not see Jagannath, and it was so crowd. Sometimes when you go to the temple, if there is so much crowd, you cannot see Jagannath, and you also have to jump to see Jagannath. And sometimes I cannot see, then some devotee picks me up, lifts me up, and then I see the Lord. But Mahaprabhu, he was very peacefully standing near that wall and was looking at the Mahaprabhu in the ecstasy. And then that lady, that woman, she thought that there is a stair. And what she did, she was holding the shoulder of the Mahaprabhu and got up on the shoulder of the Mahaprabhu and started looking at the Thakurji. And then some devotee saw and she said, "What are you doing?" Mahaprabhu said, "Do not disturb her." So out of humbleness, Mahaprabhu said, "Do not disturb her." So look at the curiosity of this woman, that she wants to have the darshan of Jagannath. She has such a great eagerness that even she did not realize that I am climbing up on a sannyasi. So what a great eagerness she has. Then after some time she was taken down. So this shows her eagerness. In the Raganuga Bhajan, what are the specialities? First is Utkantha, eagerness, and Avesh, the passion. So these are two things which are important, Utkantha and Avesh. Ishte Swarasiki Raga Param Aveshtita Bhavet.
विराजन्ति अभिव्यक्तम ब्रजवासी जनादिषु। ब्रजवासी के जो नित्य सिद्ध भगवान के परिकार जो है, उनके हृदय में जो चीज
There are two things always present in the eternal associates of Krishna, the Brajvasis, Ragatvik Jan, Utkantha and Avesh. Utkantha and Avesh is always present in the Brajvasis. So Mahaprabhu was having such a great height. When Mahaprabhu was dancing in Srirangam temple, and all the viewers present there, they got so much attracted towards Mahaprabhu. Have you ever gone to the temple of Srirangam? Okay. So what a beautiful temple it is, and what a beautiful Vigraha.
So Mahaprabhu जब नित्यादि के दर्शन लोग क्या बोले जाते हैं महाप्रभु के दर्शन के बाद
So all the devotees present there, they never used to have darshan of the Vigraha. They started looking at Mahaprabhu's dance only. And at the same time, Trimalla Bhatta, Venkata Bhatta and Prabodhananda Saraswati. So all this Bhatta family, when they also saw this great dance of Mahaprabhu, they were also attracted. So they invited Mahaprabhu to their house. So the Mahaprabhu then, he stayed at their house for 4 months. So Nyasi should not stay at one place for a long time. Just like the water never stays at one place, in the same way the saints should never stay at one place for a long time, just like the water. But this Bhatta family was having such a great love towards Mahaprabhu, they did not allow Mahaprabhu to leave. So Mahaprabhu stayed there for 4 months. So what is the job of a saint? To speak Harikatha. If I do not get a chance to speak Harikatha for one day, I will get such a great headache, and I will not be able to sleep in the night. So this year I am feeling so uncomfortable because the practice is always to speak Harikatha, and I never used to stay for more than 8 days at one place. So this is the practice of my life now. So we always used to stay for maximum 5 to 8 days at one place. Anywhere if we go. Even Brazil, I do not stay for long time.
2020 तक है, सब दे जा रहे हैं।
From 97 to 2020, I keep on moving.
आगे जाकर के क्या है? बात तो सच है, हम अनुभव करते हैं।
So this is what I have realized, that it is very difficult to stay without Harikatha.
और आज बार क्या है वो भी याद नहीं है।
And even when we are in Katha traveling, even we do not remember what is the day today. So for a saint, what is the job? It's only to speak Harikatha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he stayed in the house of Bhatta family for 4 months.
और चैतन्य महाप्रभु जब उनके घर में रहे, चैतन्य महाप्रभु कौन सा कथा कीर्तन करने लगे?
So Mahaprabhu used to do Katha Kirtan.
अभी अभी ताजा ताजा कथा जो राय रामानंद से सब सुना।
So whatever he has heard just few days back from Rai Ramananda, same Katha Mahaprabhu used to speak to the family of Bhatta.
भाई तुम आगे भी जो है वो तो डका रहेगा ना।
Gurudev has said once that whatever you have heard just now, that is you are going to speak.
तो राय रामानंद
So Mahaprabhu has just heard whatever discussions has happened with Rai Ramananda. So the same Katha was discussed
रामानंद के साथ जो
with the Bhatta family.
कृष्ण तत्व प्रेम
Krishna Tattva, Prema Tattva, Ras Tattva,
सारी वर्णाश्रम धर्म से शुरू कर दिया है।
starting from the Varnashram Dharma.
रामानंद कहाँ समाप्त कहाँ
And what was the end point?
है? रसराज महाभारत
Rasaraj Mahabhav Savrupa.
है? कितना सुंदर कथा है।
So what a beautiful Katha.
इसलिए गुरुदेव के भाषण
Gurudev
में
used to say that what you have just heard, the fresh hearing, the beautiful Katha that Mahaprabhu spoke in front of the Bhatt family,
श्रीमद् भागवत की राष्ट्र की कथा को जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु वर्णन किया,
and especially the Ras Katha of Srimad Bhagavatam.
इस कथा को सुन करके वो लोग बहुत
By hearing this Katha, they were so pleased, so
महाप्रभु एक
satisfied.
दिन प्रश्न करने लगे,
They asked question to Mahaprabhu.
हैं?
Mahaprabhu ने पूछा,
ये भट्ट परिवार जो है ये श्री संप्रदाय के अंतर्गत है। ये प्रबोधानंद
this Bhatta family is from Sri Sampradaya. They are initiated from Sri Sampradaya, Trimala Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta and Prabuddha Bhatta. In the South India, most of the people are initiated in Sri Sampradaya. And at that time, Gopal Bhatta Goswami was a small boy, like 7-8 years of age.
वो महाप्रभु के प्रति अत्यंत जो है
So Gopal Bhatta Goswami was so much attracted towards
ये
Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु जब
When Mahaprabhu used to rest,
ये छोटा गोपाल
this small boy Gopal Bhatta,
के चरण
he used to massage the feet of
और
Mahaprabhu
महाप्रभु के साथ उसमें घुल मिल करके रहे।
and was having such a nice friendly relationship with the Mahaprabhu, loving relationship, and got such a great mercy, love of Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु
So one day,
ये तीनों भाई जब बैठे,
when these 3 brothers were sitting, Mahaprabhu asked a question
तुम्हारे लक्ष्मी के बारे में तो सुना गया,
that we have heard about your Lakshmi, that she is a chaste lady,
नारायण छोड़ करके उनके कुछ दिखाई नहीं पड़ते।
and she only loves Narayan.
शास्त्र में पुराण में वर्णन है, लक्ष्मी के बारे में क्या कहा गया?
For the Lakshmi it is said,
सती था,
she is Sati, she is a chaste woman, Pativrata.
पति बता है। अच्छा हमारी समझ में नहीं आ रहे, महाप्रभु कहने लगे
Mahaprabhu said, but I cannot understand
पतिव्रता
that this
लक्ष्मी
chaste Lakshmi,
ये नारायण के छोड़ करके
why did she leave Narayan
में क्यों तपस्या
and why she is doing tapasya, austerities in Belwan?
लक्ष्मी है कि नहीं? है? आगे बताओ। है? तो कहने लगे प्रभु इससे उपहास क्यों कर रहे हैं?
So they said,
नारायण और कृष्ण में तो कोई भेद नहीं।
Prabhu, there is no difference between Narayan and Krishna.
सिद्धांत तत्व भेद से
Siddhant Tattva Abhede Api.
अपने सिद्धांत के
According to the Siddhant,
कृष्ण और नारायण
Krishna
में
and Narayan, there is no difference.
है? एक ही तत्व तो एक ही है।
One Tattva, they both are one
भगवान एक है
Tattva.
कि दो है?
Bhagwan is one or two. Bhagwan is one.
है? भगवान तो एक ही है।
So Bhagwan is only
वही
one.
राम रूप में प्रकट होते हैं।
So that comes in Rama form or Krishna form.
भक्त की प्रेम माधुर्य आस्वादन करने
To
के लिए
relish the prema madhuri of the devotee, Bhagavan takes many forms. Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Golok, Vrindavan, there are so many manifestations. So then why you are joking with us, asking this kind of question?
इसमें लिखा है क्या रसोत्कृष्ट से रस एवं कृष्ण में अधिक रस है
Krishna has more ras.
इसमें नारायण इसमें लक्ष्मी देवी
That is why Lakshmi Devi
कृष्ण के साथ मिलने के लिए
wants to meet Krishna.
तो दोष क्या है?
So what is the fault?
महाप्रभु कहने लगे
Mahaprabhu said
तुम तो अच्छी बात सुना है
that you have spoken very nicely, but tell me one thing.
शास्त्र में लिखा है श्रुति
In the
आदि ने
Shastra,
प्राप्त कर लिया
it is written
लक्ष्मी अभी तक भी
that
प्राप्त नहीं किया
the Shrutis even were able to attain Krishna. Then why not the Lakshmi till now?
कहाँ पर
Lakshmi is still doing the tapasya in Velvan.
बल्ली पार
Palli Par.
तो नहीं है
Palli
बल्ली पार
Par. यही करता है और
है कि नहीं ये बता दो तो वो कहने लगे प्रभु
यहाँ पर एक गाँव भी है जिसका नाम है उस पार.
भट्ट परिवार कहने लगे प्रभु हम ही तो
So Bhatt family said, we do not know why she was not able to attain
ये
Krishna.
कृष्ण के चरण कमल प्राप्ति करने के लिए ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े बड़े देवता लोग कितने कठोर तपस्या
To attain Krishna's lotus feet, the Brahma and other demigods, they were doing many austerities. And Lakshmi Devi also did the austerity, but she could not attain.
प्रवेश करने के लिए
She could not enter into Ras Leela.
इस कथा प्रसंग में वर्णन किया गया नारद जी के मुखारविंद से कृष्ण के दशमान की कथा प्रबंध
By hearing the Ras Madhuri of Krishna from the mouth of Narad Rishi, the Lakshmi also got this desire.
कठोर तपस्या करो
Naraji said that you have to do tapasya. Then Lakshmi Devi came in Belwan and started doing tapasya. Krishna appeared and said, ask, get some boon from me. And Lakshmi said, just like the gopis, you allow me to enter in the Ras Leela. Krishna said, it is not possible for you, because to enter in the Ras Leela is not easy.
कृष्ण की विशेष एक विशेषता है कृष्ण संहिता है
Krishna himself says, Ami Gopajati,
कोई बिना अन्य
that I am Gopa and I cannot accept anyone else, the one who is not Gopi.
गोपी शरीर जब तक नहीं हो
So till the time one doesn't have the Gopi body, doesn't get birth in the Gopi family,
कब के शिकार नहीं करें
Krishna cannot accept.
और स्वयं कृष्ण कहने लगे देखो
So Swayam Krishna said,
तुम ब्राह्मणी हो
you are a Brahmani,
और ये गोपियां गोप जाति
and the gopis, they are the Vaishya, from the Vaishya family, and you are from the Brahman. And if you have to enter into the Ras Leela, you have to follow some rules. First you have to take birth in Braj, in the family of the gopis, to get the gopi body.
गोप से विवाह होना चाहिए
And also you should get married to a gop.
नारायण के छोड़कर के किसके साथ विवाह होना चाहिए
So leaving the Narayan, you have to get married with a gop.
और फिर गोपियों के साथ कांडा देना पड़ेगा तुम्हें
Then also you have to work just like the gopis, preparing the cow dung.
और फिर स्कूल में पढ़ना पड़ेगा 5 प्रकार विद्या अर्जन करना पड़ेगा
And also you have to get the education in the school of
तुम्हें
gopis.
क्या करना पड़ेगा
In the college of the bhakti, you have to study.
5 विषय में आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा
So you have to study 5
5
subjects.
विषय क्या क्या बता
What are the 5 subjects? Do you remember?
क्या बोलिए करना प्रतिकार विजयना स्तुति स्तुति प्रक्रिया हैं हैं क्या जी धीरे बोलिए
क्या है ये?
बात नहीं बताएंगे 5 प्रश्न आदत चली जाएगी ना
So this is actually different topic of these 5 subjects.
कथम देर हो जाएगी हैं भाई गोपी गृह में जन्म लेना पड़ेगा, गोपी शरीर प्राप्त करना पड़ेगा।
So one has to study these 5 subjects and also work like the gopis and having the body, and then you will be getting, with the association of the gopis, you will be getting the anurag in your heart, and then secretly with the parkya bhav, what you have to do? You have to meet with Krishna. So these are the all rules that you have to follow. But she said, I cannot do this. That how can I leave Lakshmi body and get a gopi body? So Lakshmi doesn't want to fulfill these conditions. Lakshmi wanted to enter into Ras with the same Lakshmi body. And this is not possible. To enter in the Ras, the gopi body is required. Till the time one doesn't have the body of a gopi, she cannot enter. And also with the parkya bhav, that you have to marry with another gopa, then only it is possible for you to enter in the Ras. So Lakshmi said, it is not possible for me. So till today even Lakshmi is doing tapasya in Bel 1. So Mahaprabhu spoke this katha with all the tattva vichar. And by hearing this katha, that why she is having such a eagerness to meet Krishna, Mahaprabhu showed them that the qualities of Krishna in comparison to Narayan are more. Narayan has, the Jeev has the 50 qualities that are also in a very small, just like very small quantity of those qualities in the Jivas. The Devatas, the demigods, have little more. And in the Vaikuntha and in the Shiva, how many qualities are there? So demigods have the 50 qualities in a more quantity in comparison to the Jivas. And the Shivaji has 55 qualities. And Narayan has 60. Ramchandra has 62.5. And Krishna has 64. But those 4 qualities are not present in any other incarnation. Ramchandra, Dwarikadhish, Mathuradhish, Krishna. Only Brajendra Nandan Shyam Sundar has the 4 qualities which are unique, which makes him Asamurdha Tattva. Asamurdha Tattva means that there is no one who is equal to him. What to talk about being someone higher to Krishna. So Krishna's beauty, the Rupa, even the Narayan doesn't have that beauty. Ramchandra, even Dwarikadhish and Mathuradhish doesn't have that beauty. Only the Krishna has that beautiful Rupa. So having the darshan of that Rupa, everyone gets attracted. That is called Rupa Madhuri, the sweetness of beauty, Rupa. Second is Leela Madhuri, that his pastimes are so beautiful. Then comes Prema Madhuri. Prema Madhuri is just like an ordinary person. Krishna is requesting in the feet of Radhika out of his Prema Madhuri. Smara Garala Khandanam Mama Shirasi Mandanam. So this is the Prema Madhuri. Jayadeva Goswami has written very beautifully. It is not seen in any other incarnation, only in the Brajendra Nandan Shyam Sundara. This kind of Prem Madhuri is visible, which is called Dhira Lalita Nayak.
360 प्रकार
96 type of Nayak and
उसमें
कितने
कृष्ण में जो नायकत्व जो है
360 types of Nayika.
धीर ललित नायक
So Dhira Lalita Nayak,
कृष्ण में ही है।
only these qualities are present in Krishna.
थोड़ा सामान्य रूप में वर्णन किया है। और चौथा क्या था?
And fourth is Venu Madhuri.
जिस वेणु के द्वारा, वंशी के द्वारा
So with that flute,
सबके चित्त के क्या करते हैं?
he attracts everyone's heart.
कृष्ण अपेक्षा वर्णन श्याम सुंदर छोड़ करके किसी अवतार में
Any other incarnation except Krishna doesn't have these four qualities.
ये असमर्थ तत्व है।
So that is why Krishna becomes Asamurdha Tattva.
इसलिए
Means
कृष्ण
no
छोड़
one is
करके
equal or higher to Krishna. No other incarnation can do Ras except Krishna. This is the speciality of Krishna.
देखो कृष्ण के सौंदर्य महान है। मैंने कहा चैतन्य महाप्रभु 4 महीने तक
For the 4 months,
कथा का वर्णन करें।
Mahaprabhu was speaking all this
और उसी
katha,
कथा को रूप चैतन्य महाप्रभु किसके हृदय में प्रकाश कर दिया?
and the same katha was manifested in the heart of Rup Goswami by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु
That is why he manifested two scriptures, Ujjwal Nirmali and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
महाप्रभु अपने सारे प्रेम धन को किसके हृदय में प्रकाश कर
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his all prema dhan in the heart of
दिया? तो ये समझ कर दिखा है।
Rupa Goswami.
कृष्ण इस चैतन्य महाप्रभु से कथा श्रवण करे हमने, और सुन करके वे लोग क्या किया?
बलराम जी में
श्री संप्रदाय के लक्ष्मी नारायण उपासना को छोड़ करके उन्होंने राधा गोविंद की माने राधा की सेवा।
So then they left the Lakshmi Narayan, worship of Lakshmi Narayan, and started serving Radha Govinda. So someone may ask question that why?
यदि किसी के जब रस एक ही हो कैसे
If
छोड़ के?
one has one particular ras, how can he go into the another ras?
आई भाव में पूछ नहीं जाए
Till the time the sadhak doesn't reach in the sthai bhav, there can be a change. But when he reaches to the sthai bhav, then it cannot be changed.
ये विचार दिखाते हैं। क्योंकि बाबाजी संप्रदाय कहते हैं जब से जब संप्रति
Babaji Sampradaya says
संग करते हैं उसके द्वारा वो
a
रंग लगता है।
person, when he associates with one type of person, he gets same kind of feelings.
इस जगत का उदाहरण नहीं है।
So he becomes just like that person. So this is an ordinary example of this materialistic world. Just like if you associate with a good person, you will become good. And if you associate with a dacoit, you will become dacoit.
उनके संग में आप ऐसे बन जाते
So we change according to our association. But it is not the case with the spiritual world.
हैं। यदि ऐसे होते उद्धव आदि ऐसे भक्त लोग किसके संग किया? राधा आदि।
Uddhav, he has associated with Radha.
प्रार्थना भी कर दी किंतु अभी तक
But still, even he prayed, but still he could not get that bhav. So this rule doesn't apply in the spiritual world. He is praying Asamoho Charana Renu.
छोड़ करके आ गए।
So he prayed to Radhika and also associated with Radhika staying in Braj. But still he left Braj and came back to Mathura.
इसलिए उद्धव ने क्योंकि छोड़ करके आ गए मथुरा। फिर कृष्ण अंतर्धान होने के बाद यहाँ पर आकर के
After Krishna's disappearance, then Uddhav came back and did tapasya in Braj. Gurudev says,
कुसुम सर्व के दूसरी तट जो है उद्धव को जिसको कहा
on the other side of the Kusum Sarovar, which is called Uddhav Kunda, every single grass is considered as Uddhav. But still, Uddhav could not get
यदि हो जाता है
that bhav.
तो नारद ऋषि कितने के संग ध्रुव के संग दिया।
So only just by the association, if this happens, then the Narad gave association to Prahlad, Dhruva, Panch Pandava.
ध्रुव से उत्पन्न हो गया सब राधा कुंड में जाके
They all got this greed to get this bhav of Braj.
दर्शन प्राप्ति हुआ
The 5 Pandavas, they were doing tapasya in the Radha Kund, but were they able to get it? No.
बहुत सुंदर में दर्शन
हाँ,
ये प्रभुदानंद ये तो नित्य परिकर है
क्या है?
केवल ये जगत में ये लिखा है।
So Prabodhananda is the Nitya Parikar, eternal associate of Krishna, but it is just a human-like pastimes here.
प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती महाप्रभु की ऐसे सुंदर कथा की श्रवण करके
After hearing such a nice katha from Mahaprabhu, Prabodhananda Saraswati, he left the worship of Lakshmi Narayan and started worshipping Radha Govinda. Then he came to Vrindavan. He did bhajan. There is a bhajan kuti of Prabodhananda Saraswati near Kaliyadaha. Who was Prabodhananda Saraswati? In the Nitya Leela, he is Tunga Vidya Sakhi. According to the Gaur Ganodesh Deepika, according to the Gaur Ganodesh Deepika, the one who was perfect in all kind of Shastra Vidya, scriptural knowledge, she is Tunga Vidya, and she has appeared in the form of this Prabodhananda Saraswati in a form of a sannyasi. He has written very beautiful scriptures about Mahaprabhu and also about Radha Govinda, especially Chaitanya Chandramrit, and one is Chaitanya Chandrodaya. So Chaitanya Charitamrit, and also one is Vrindavan Mahimamrit. So very beautiful scriptures he has written, and especially Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi. For this Grantha, there are many fights between the other Sampradayas that they say that it belongs to our Sampradaya. Such a great Radha Sudhanidhi Grantha. So this Radha Sudhanidhi was actually written by Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. So Radha Ras Sudhanidhi Grantha is a very great Grantha of this Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. One should read. Just like this, a shlok is written. Prabodhananda Saraswati has written beautiful glories of Radhaji. He says that Radhaji, in whichever direction she is sitting, I offer pranam to that direction. So he has written such a great glories of Radhaji. So very beautiful Granth Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi. If you actually want to understand the Radha Tattva, you have to read Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi. So very beautiful shloka. If someone wants to get the service of Radha Govinda in Vrindavan, what he has to do? He has to serve Gaur Dham, Navdvip Dham, and also Shachinandan Gaur Hari. One has to take shelter. So he has written very nice shlokas for Mahaprabhu. Aradhito Navavanam, the one who has taken shelter to the Navdvip Dham, that person only will be able to enter in the Vrindavan Dham. Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavan. Naradhito Navavanam.
करते
The one who doesn't take shelter of the Navadvip Dham can never attain Vrindavan Dham.
आश्रय नहीं
The
किया
one who has never taken shelter to the Shachinandan Gaur Hari's lotus feet,
कृष्ण की प्राप्ति नहीं।
for that person is impossible to attain
आज जिन लोगों ने
Brajnagar Krishna.
महाप्रभु की चरण का आश्रय किया,
So the one who has taken shelter to the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, for him it is possible.
सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि और गौर धाम है इसका आश्रय।
So one has to take shelter to Sachinandan Gaur Hari and Gaur Dham.
यदि किसी के यदि माधुर्य रस में प्रवेश करना है,
If one has to enter in the Madhurya Ras,
सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि और गौर धाम के आश्रय करना है।
has to take shelter of Sachinandan Gaur Hari and Gaur Dham.
लोग लिखा है।
So very beautiful shlokas written by him. In the Vrindavan Mahima Amrit also he writes very beautifully
इतनी सुंदर वृंदावन की महिमा पर
the glories of the Vrindavan.
चलो हम इसे कर रहे हैं। आज प्रबोधानंद संस्कृति के बारे में कुछ शब्द इसलिए बताने जा रहे हैं कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि प्रकाशानंद और
Some people says that the Prakashanand and Prabodhanand, they both are same.
ये प्रकाशानंद ये मायावादी
Prakashanand was a Mayavadi
और ये प्रबोधानंद
and Prabodhanand Saraswati,
महाप्रभु शुद्ध भक्त
he is the pure devotee of Mahaprabhu. How can they both be same?
चैतन्य महाप्रभु जब गृहस्थ माने जब इसमें थे, नवद्वीप धाम में,
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Navadvip before sannyas,
वराह में आविष्ट
one day Mahaprabhu in the Varaha
आविष्ट
Bhav,
होकर के महाप्रभु क्या करने काशी से पढ़ाए
he
बेटा
said,
प्रकाशानंद और मोर अंग करे खंड खंड
Kashi te padhaye beta Prakashanand.
महाप्रभु
That in the
ने
Kashi,
ये
this Prakashanand who teaches in the Kashi, he is Advaitavadi
वेद
sannyasi.
पढ़ते हैं अध्ययन करते हैं
He
कि शास्त्र
studies Veda, speaks on
क्या
Veda,
वर्णन करते हैं
but he doesn't know anything.
ये
What he
ब्रह्म
says, he says, Brahma is impersonal, without any qualities.
उपनिषद में
All the Veda, Puran, Upanishad, there is a beautiful form of Krishna explained, and he says that Bhagavan is Nirakar without any form.
तब ये समझ में नहीं आया, मूर्ख है।
So he is a foolish.
इसलिए काशी से पढ़ाए बेटा प्रकाशानंद हैं? वेद राज्य मोर अंग करे तो तुम्हें दंड।
So I will punish him.
तो उस समय प्रकाशानंद कौन था?
So who is that Prakashanand? Mayavadi.
है? और फिर जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु संन्यास लेकर के
And
जब
then after
श्रीरंगम
sannyas,
पहुंचे,
when Mahaprabhu reached Srirangam,
तो वो कैसे ये बन गए थे?
how could he become a Vaishnav?
यदि
Before the
प्रकाशानंद
arrival of
और
Mahaprabhu,
एक,
if they both are same, Prakashanand and Prabodhananda,
तो फिर कैसे बने?
so how can
और
he
फिर चैतन्य
become
महाप्रभु
Vaishnav?
जब काशी में पधारे,
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Kashi,
फिर वो प्रकाशानंद के साथ मिले
he met with Prakashananda,
और उनकी तर्क युक्ति आदि के द्वारा वो मायावादी की
and
युक्ति के साथ
Mahaprabhu refuted the philosophy of those Mayavadis.
चैतन्य से वर्णन है।
In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is
तो
written.
एक व्यक्ति पहले क्या था?
So how can one person,
फिर
first he was Mayavadi, then he became devotee, a devotee of Lakshmi Narayan,
और फिर क्या बन गया?
Then again-
कृष्ण उपासक से चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने क्या कर दिया? राधा
and then he
कृष्ण की
became
भक्त। फिर वो कैसे
Radha
मायावादी
Govinda, started serving Radha Govinda, and then again how can he become Mayavadi? So the one who reads the Chaitanya Charitamrita, who doesn't read Chaitanya Charitamrita
इसलिए गुरुदेव
nicely, they speak in a wrong way that they both are same.
एक व्यक्ति नहीं है।
So Gurudev writes in this Granth that Prakashanand and Prabodhananda are not one
राधा
person.
गोविंद की ये, हैं? तुंग विद्या सखी हो।
Prabodhanand Saraswati is Tunga Vidya Sakhi,
और वो मायावादी सखी।
and Prakashanand Saraswati is a Mayavadi sannyasi.
प्रकाशानंद मायावादी। तो दोनों एक नहीं हो सकता।
So they both cannot be
इसलिए
same.
शिला गुरुदेव इतने बड़ा प्रबंध
That is why Srila Gurudev has written this book,
और युक्ति के साथ युक्ति को उन्होंने
and with all the logics he refuted their concept, wrong concept. And Prabodhanand Saraswati also did bhajan in this Vrindavan.
स्वयं गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी मैं पर भी आए, उनसे मिले।
Gopal Bhatta Goswami also came and met Prabodhanand Saraswati because Prabodhanand Saraswati is uncle of
फिर रूप सनातन
Gopal
में
Bhatta
रात के
Goswami,
भजन किया। जो चैतन्य
and
महाप्रभु
also Prabodhanand Saraswati did bhajan with Roop Sanatan Goswami.
घर में रहो जब तक तुम्हारे पितामाता रहे।
So Mahaprabhu ordered Gopal Bhatta Goswami that till the time the Venkat Bhatta and Trimalla Bhatta are present in this world, you should serve your parents, and after your parents' disappearance, you go to Vrindavan, and under the guidance of Roop Sanatan you should do bhajan. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami, after the disappearance of his parents, he came here in Vrindavan and he did bhajan.
यह भी स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया। उनके एक शिष्य था, क्या नाम उसका? हितहरि।
His one disciple was Hithari, and on the day of Ekadashi he was eating pan.
आज एकादशी है।
And Gopal Bhatta said that today is Ekadashi, why you are eating pan? And he said it is the prasadi of Radhaji. Gopal Bhatta Goswami said that in the Hari Bhakti Vilas I have written that on the day of Ekadashi one should not accept these things.
ठाकुर जी के प्रसाद होने पर भी
It is Thakurji's prasad, even then one should not eat it.
पत्ता तो बोले पान का पत्ता है, बोले नहीं।
Even if this pan is leaf, only one should eat a tulsi leaf, not any other leaf. One should not eat. Only tulsi leaf one can eat, because without tulsi Thakurji doesn't. We cannot offer the bhog. So pan patta is not Vrinda Devi, but tulsi is Vrinda Devi. So he said, I went to Barsana and I got this pan bida of Radharani, so it is a prasad. Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he scolded him that you leave this place. The one who doesn't follow his guru and is only giving logics, so you are foolish, so you leave this place.
तो उन्होंने क्या की और वो प्रबंधन के पास जाकर के आते हैं।
So then
ये पर भी कुछ लोग कहते हैं
he took shelter to the Prabodhanand Saraswati path.
हमारे गोसाई वर्ग थोड़ा बहुत असंतुष्ट।
महाप्रभु जब पहुंचे थे वेंकट भट्ट जी के घर में प्रबोधानंद जी से भेंट हुई थी। प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती पाद जी की भेंट हुई थी महाप्रभु से उनके घर में।
प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती पाद वेंकट भट्ट के घर में भेंट हुई थी, तो क्या किसी साथ तीन भाई तो कहा क्या?
नहीं तो भेंट प्रमाण से दिखता है कि उनकी भेंट हुई थी महाप्रभु से।
भेंट हुई तो
कहाँ हुई?
उनके घर में रहने लगे उस समय।
लेकिन प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती से नहीं हुई थी भेंट।
किसने कहा?
आप हमको ब्रह्म संजोग योग
हाँ, उसमें प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती पाद कहाँ थी?
हाँ यही तो पूछ रहे हैं।
घर में थे, उसमें तो सन्यास नहीं किया।
So she is asking that whether it is written that Prabodhanand Saraswati Pad met Mahaprabhu when Mahaprabhu was staying in the house of Bhatta family. Maharaj says yes, he was present in the house only. So these three brothers were present in the house when Mahaprabhu was there. He has not taken sannyas.
कहाँ थे वो आप बताओ। हम तो ये कह रहे ना हमारे गुरुदेव जो यहाँ पर लिखा है चलेगा। इसमें लिखा सर्वोत्तम जगत
Gurudev has written in this book.
प्रभुपाद चैतन्य भागवत में गौड़ीय भागवत में इस विषय में अच्छे से लिखे हैं। इसमें पढ़ो ये स्पष्टीकरण कर दी, कोई संदेह नहीं है।
It is clarified in this Granth.
भट्ट परिवार के घर में रहे वो लोग।
बाबा जी कहते हैं कि जब महाप्रभु पहुंचे वेंकट जी के घर में उस समय प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती नहीं थे वहाँ।
कहाँ थे?
सन्यास लेके चले गए थे। ऐसे बोलते हैं
वो सन्यास लेकर के कहाँ चले गए?
तीर्थयात्रा करने के लिए घर में नहीं थे, महाप्रभु से भेंट नहीं
कहाँ
हुई।
लिखा है?
यही मैंने उनसे पूछा, ये प्रमाण कहाँ है? बोले ऐसा है। तो
ऐसा है कहीं से थोड़ी मानेंगे। हम ऐसे करते, ऐसे है, ऐसे है, ऐसे है।
पूछ रही हो किस लिए?
नहीं, घर में
Babaji says that Prabodhananda was not present in the house and he has taken already sannyas and left. And before Mahaprabhu's arrival, so Maharaj says that is there any proof? Then she said that they asked what we say, what is the proof of that he was present in the house.
श्री संप्रदाय के थे। ये वो लोग जो प्रमाण देते हैं, इसमें गुरुदेव भी सब तरह बताए।
But Gurudev writes it clearly in this Granth that these three brothers were present.
ये जो प्रबंध पंचायत है, इसमें अच्छी तरह से एक शब्द के देखो सब बाबाजी उत्तर देते। वो लोग जो उत्तर देते हैं, वो लोग कहाँ से बोलते हैं? वो लोग एक ग्रंथ है, भक्तमाल ग्रंथ है।
They speak from the Bhaktamal.
वो सहजिया ग्रंथ है। और अनेक
So
लोग
that is a
उसके ग्रंथ
Sahajiya
को प्रमाणित
Granth
मानते हैं,
and
जो
many
ग्रंथ
people
प्रमाणित
consider it
है।
authentic, but that is not an authentic scripture.
वो जो कहते हैं, यहाँ पर गुरुदेव भी इतना सूक्ष्म विचार किया है। वो लोग जो कुछ बोलते जा रहे हैं, जहाँ से आप बोल रहे हो, वो लोग कुछ कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? वो लोग बोलते हैं भक्तमाल ग्रंथ।
They speak from
भक्तमाल
Bhaktamal,
ग्रंथ प्रमाणित नहीं।
but Bhaktamal is not an
यहाँ पर
authentic.
गुरुदेव जी का भक्ति रत्नाकर ग्रंथ
Gurudev is giving reference from Bhakti Ratnakar, which is authentic. Chaitanya Bhagavad, Chaitanya Charitamrita is authentic scriptures.
इस ग्रंथ के आदि तक
एक बात और भी है कि अगर उनका महाप्रभु को मिलन नहीं हुआ तो तीनों पहले श्री संप्रदाय के प्रोग्राम उनके दादा से उनका भजन कैसे करने का मिलन नहीं हुआ तो
चलो तुम्हारी जी मिलन जी देंगे। अच्छा चलो, यहाँ पर भजन किया, किसके भजन किया उन्होंने?
So if let us suppose that he never met with Mahaprabhu, then how he started doing bhajan of Radha Govinda?
वृंदावन के किसका भजन किया?
In the Vrindavan, Prabodhananda Saraswati is doing bhajan of Radha Govinda. So how did he start this bhajan of Radha Govinda?
चलो समय हो गया, फिर काल विचार इस ग्रंथ को वो लोग जो कहते हैं, वो लोग एक केवल वो भक्तमाल ग्रंथ भक्तमाल ग्रंथ उसकी प्रामाणिक ग्रंथ नहीं है।
उसके अकॉर्डिंग तो दोनों सेम है।
हैं?
उसके अकॉर्डिंग तो दोनों सेम है। भक्तमाल के अकॉर्डिंग प्रबोधानंद प्रकाशानंद दोनों सेम ही भक्तमाल के अकॉर्डिंग।
वो लोग कहते हैं प्रकाशन प्रबंधन से एक
तो वो भक्तमाल के अकॉर्डिंग है।
आप ये पर बता दो, ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु जब गृह से मिला करते दूसरा निकल जा रहे हैं, काशी से पराए बेटा अपना फिर महाप्रभु यहाँ पर आए
प्रबंध कम से कम पढ़ना पड़ेगा। अच्छा पढ़िए लास्ट में।
आपने बताया कि स्वामी जी की बेटे का हरिवंश है, लेकिन वो तो ये बात बिल्कुल स्वीकार नहीं करते।
हरिवंश वाले नहीं करते तो उनके बाबा जी संप्रदाय की क्या की जाए?